And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2019 front living Sandpiper. Come on inside. All right, so we're in the front living Sandpiper. This is a great unit, used unit 2019 again. But let's start off, we'll go up into this living area. You've got the theater seating, you've got the dual opposing slides in the front with the couches that do make into beds. You've got a nice fireplace here. What's really cool about this unit is you've got a glass front window. So that front cap has glass, as you can see, so it really allows the light to come in. The TV's on a televator, so it will go up and down. So as you're watching, of course, you put that back up, but when you put it back down, you've got, as you can see, tons of lighting in this area. It's got a great kitchen, 4-door refrigerator. It's got the upgraded 3-burner Furrion range with the upgraded oven. Nice residential sized microwave, dual sinks with the island. Lots of storage in this kitchen area. A lot of these front livings do suffer some with the storage, but this has lots of cabinetry, plenty of drawers, pantry. You've got a dinette with a table and chairs, no booth in this. The bedroom, as you can see, is just fantastic. Got a king-size bed on the slide out. Again, lots of storage, cupboard space for clothes and so forth. It's just a nice, beautiful setup. Bathroom, walk-in shower in the bathroom, and again, lots of room to store towels and toiletry items. Let's go out and take a look at some of the fun stuff on the outside. All right, so on the outside, you're going to notice we've got a large fiberglass front cap. Again, you've got that window in the front cap, which is a fantastic thing to have. Plenty of storage in this unit on the outside, large outside compartments. Moving to the side of the coach, electric awning. In the back, we've got our entertainment area. So it's got a beverage refrigerator in the back, a sink, a barbecue, walk-on ladder so that you can get up and service the roof. Nice enclosed docking station with all of your hookups. And what's really unique about this one is it's got hydraulic leveling. And I only say unique because not very often in these do you find the hydraulic leveling on them. That's a great option. Of course, the unit will come with a couple of batteries, but that's just what we do. Anyway, if you take a look at the front storage here, the very front, you've got additional storage there. This is just a great family unit and just waiting to build a lot of great family memories. And thank you for your time this morning. I appreciate it. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, feel free to give me a call directly at 541-968-6010 at Guarantee RV. Thank you and have a great day.